Menteri Ketenat Kekot Kekiak Kejela Meghalaya ubak Wailadmiki Shela Uladawa na ke Sorkar Pdeng Banwan Rakyat Kian Kibaklan bat perkheng bah ban pentiknai ke jingyat bed ke eksamen NEET UG bat kiwe ke eksamen. Naman ke jinglek bamsud nyo jongga National Testing Agency NTA kalapan artatien bat penduk mensia megisam lapulia bat ki kepah hagari berokawai. Menteri oleh penrem jor gini kejingja bat ula kentu ke Sorkar Pdeng ban cem kisenja mamardor ban yo apat ke jing syania jengkipat ba. Hadin Bau Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih ke Sorkar Pdeng ula kular ban lek rega beteng nang ni syakmat ban penrem yakum kini gikam. Ha kabede bagi jenglong eksamen biang ubak Wailadmiki Shela ula Kyrpad ke samla pulian na Meghalaya bat negari berokawai kibe kon ya NEET bakim dai ban senguduk mensiam na syak penduk Borno. Dari ban shimekane kum ka kabu ke baar bat kalat ban trish tom ban poi syakathong. Menteri ula pen pauru bagi NTA kala Shimkhia ya kene ngakam bagla depan benai ka trek bertemai na kebentar ke eksamen NEET UG. Kawa ula kedau bakan longak arpoi trek ujelio uban lada embakla.
Only Meghalaya, it is affected all over the state. All the who have who have appeared in the exam. Like I said, it is very unfortunate event, and we never expected this. Uh, but like the other in my previous statement, also I have mentioned that since this being done by the central by the NTA, so no doubt I really condemn this, and at the same time I will urge the central government. They should, I think, even a few days ago the union education minister have come up with a statement that from now on there will be strict action will be taken, and they will see that this kind of things should not happen in the future. So that also I like in my previous statement also I said that central government has to come up with something in order to gain the trust of the people of this country, because this has been happening in I think even in the past as well, because and we know that when this kind of things happen, it really demoralizes the student who gave the exam and also the parent behind them. So I think I would like to see that the central government should come up with strict laws in order to gain the trust of the student and the parent. And I will urge the student that they should not feel discouraged. No doubt, swift action has been taken, and then I think the fresh date already announced. So I'll urge them that to not be demoralized. This is the second chance you have got. Work hard, and I think we are together on this. Like I clearly in my it's my clear message that the central government should come up with strict laws in order to gain the trust of the student. But this kind of thing will always happen in our life. So you should not feel discouraged. You should always be motivated and work hard.
Lily, Pikalan.
Kanda pitharai kan ni kapisa. Kali jono kan ni. Ba ka hospital te kala ajkai nang ni.
Binti aswa hang ni hadu nda de por kamu.
Sister, hapsiu kat noma?
Ka Sorkar kala siulut jing separo. Namar man ka way pa ka way ka minsiam ka long ka bakordor.